I understand why people have an interest in this case. I understand the attention that it has gotten. The political opponents have put millions of dollars to keep this case at the forefront of people's minds.
It is the Jussie Smollett case. A year ago, Kim Foxx's office indicted and then dropped charges against the actor. Now he's been recharged by Special Prosecutor Dan Webb with lying about a staged hate crime. Do you believe Jussie Smollett was lying or telling the truth?
Listen, Mr. Smollett is the subject of a criminal case right now. I can't speak to the merits of that case.
If you would have required Jussie Smollett to admit guilt, do you think all of this would be a non-issue?
As I've said, this case is being litigated.
Last week, Fox's campaign issued a press release calling the timing of Webb bringing charges political with the election so close, while an official statement from the state's attorney's office was much more tame. Did you approve that press release that referred to Webb's investigation as James Comey-like and political?
Listen, as I've said,
Kim, did you approve that?
Listen,
Did you approve that? Can you answer that question?
I can't answer that question.
Foxx believes voters are more concerned about issues other than Smollett.
People of Cook County who live in neighborhoods that have been devastated by violence want us to talk about what are we going to do to make sure communities are safe.
And she points to key aspects of her record.
The vacating of wrongful convictions has been something I'm particularly proud of. The work that we've done on marijuana legalization and the expungement of what will be over 100,000 records here in Cook County.
Foxx believes based on that and not just the one case, Jussie Smollett, she deserves another 4 years. Tonight at 6, though, more from Foxx, including the shots he takes at Eddie Johnson, William Barr, and why she won't apologize to Dan Webb for the campaign statement.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.